This Hoover I cannot rate enough. It is absolutely brilliant. Thumbs up on its own. That's on short mode. Pop it on. Should have done that first. Press the button. One hand. It just glides. Little light on the front. Nice and lightweight. I absolutely love it. It's replaced my Henry Hoover. And even on the map, so easy to use. Nice and easy to use on the stairs. I've just taken the long pipe off. It's cordless, comes with a spare filter, a brush and a crevice. Okay, this bit you can turn it up. So that was on the low mode. And this is on the carpet. It doesn't feel like it's eating the carpet. Again, one hand, lovely and easy to use. That's on the low mode. Turn it up. Absolutely brilliant. And really easy to empty.